Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the unboxing and assembly of Baby Walker Cum Swing from Flipkart. It is colorful and seems attractive to children. Here are the parts, and when you open it, it will be like this. The front section has a toy and the buttons which play music on being pressed, and a handle on the back side. This is the seat with cushion, and it also has a mat which will be fixed to keep legs in swing position and also when going outdoors. And these are the wheels. Let's start assembling. This over here, the height can be adjusted. You have to press it and move it to adjust height. Height increases while pulling it to the left side. Just press it and pull it to the left side. Coming to fixing of wheels, it's very easy. Just push inside and twist it. Totally there are 6 wheels to fix it in the same way. Number 5 and 6. Yeah, here you go. All the wheels are fixed, and now let's fix the mat. Insert the clips to the one side rod and just stretch it and insert the clips to the other side rod. You have to stretch it over here. Yeah, now it's fixed. Here comes the musical pad and the toy to fix on top of it. Yeah, when you press the red button, the music comes. Now let's fix the seat. The seat is a big hard step. You need to insert the latches into the hole and bring down. Similarly, the other two in the front. On the back side, pull the latch from inside the seat and push it in the hole. Similarly, insert in the remaining holes. Yeah, now the walker is fixed and ready to use. Insert the handle into the oval shaped opening in the back side. This is optional. Whenever the elder person wants to control, then they can use this, and remove the below mat indoors. The movement is plain, and now this is the lock for the wheels. There are 2 locks here and in the opposite side. If you open these two, the wheels will be locked and the walker cannot move. This is for the safety of the children. whenever you are feeding while sitting into this, you have to lock it so that they do not move forward. Now let's see how the swing mode works. Just rotate the right side towards your side and the left side towards the other side and open. Similarly, repeat this on the other side. Twist the red one upwards on both the sides, and yeah, the swing mode is ready. And here when the kid uses it.